So this is the pressure washer from Toolstation or Hawksmoor, and this is the box. And so here's the patio washer, just unboxing it so we can see a close-up of the patio washer. Here's all the parts for it: the patio washer, the handgun, the spray bottle, and this is the pressure washer. So it has two controls: the top one to turn it on and off, and the bottom one is the variable one. So move around, and here is the plug. So a nice place to put the plug and to wind it up afterwards, so there's no messy thing. And then we remove around, and this you can see is the attachment that attaches to your wand or your pressure washer, and that's the bottle. You can add clean to the washer, and as the water gets, it adds the liquid to it. And this hole is to put in, when you're finished with it, your wand, so a place for it to stand. And there's an attachment on the side as well. And this is the manual for it: how to attach everything, how to connect your pressure washer up. So this is the attachment I'm adding on the side, so that you can put the wand in after you've finished. And this is the stabilizer on the feet, you will have to screw in. And this is the wand. It has to be connected up, so attach the two parts together. You just push it a bit inside. There it goes, and that's ready to go. So this is, we're using it. This is the one of the attachments on the wand. So they have two attachments. One's the pressure, so this one, the other one. This one's really for cleaning. The other one I couldn't really get much out of it. And this is the patio washer. When you push it, you have to be careful that it slightly tips, and then obviously it opens up and all the water comes towards you. So here's we're just trying it on some dirty patio blocks. Those on the block paving, as you can see, it's starting to clean it. So now I use the pressure washer to speed it up, because I'm sure you don't want to watch me just going slowly through it. It cleaned it up, as you can see, but a lot of mess, which has to be then washed away as well. Overall, it was a good machine. It was quite loud, so I had to turn it down for recording purposes. It had lots of attachments, and the price was really good. It has a metal motor, so hopefully that should be good. And the machine wasn't too heavy. Overall, I really liked it for the price, and let's see how long it lasts.